Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Today's going to be a very exciting one because we are going to be installing towing mirrors for the Pajero. So there's a little secret about what's to happen in the future, but I'm not going to spoil it yet. But obviously installing towing mirrors, there's something coming and it's going to be pretty huge. So yeah guys, today we're going to be focusing on MSA 4x4 towing mirrors. Now I'm actually very stoked to announce that they will also be available on the website. So whether it's MSA towing mirrors or Clearview towing mirrors, it's all now available on the website for Mitsubishi vehicles at this stage only. So yeah, very excited guys. Today I'm going to show you basically how to install it, why you need to install towing mirrors, and why I went with the MSA one specifically. So yeah, without further ado, sit back and relax and let's get into it. Right guys, so here we have it. This is the MSA mirrors. As you can see, woo, just look at that. No, I'm kidding. As you can see, they look very, very good. It's also a plug and play kit, so installation is going to be extremely easy. It is Australian made as well, so it comes with a 5-year warranty. So all of these reasons are basically why I chose to go with MSA. I just like that it has a compact style as well, so it's not going to look like elephant ears next to your car. So that's basically the main thing, right? You also want it to look good, and you don't want it to look like you're about to fly off like Dumbo, right? So that's very cool, guys. That's basically why I went with these ones. Now, there's a few different towing mirrors on the market, such as Malenko or Clearview. Essentially, why I don't want to go with clip-on mirrors. Yes, they are a lot cheaper, but they rattle. So whether you want to reverse up, in the car, it's a diesel ride, so it's going to vibrate. I just feel like it's going to vibrate and you won't be able to see a clear picture in the mirror anyway. So you're going to just use the standard mirrors anyway. Whereas with Clearview ones, Clearview is also a very good brand. Basically, the reason why I went with MSA instead is because it's a more affordable option, and I also feel like it's a bit more compact. So yeah, that's the main reason I'm going with these ones instead. So we'll fit it up, and I'll also show you the dimensions of the standard mirrors versus these mirrors, just to, you know, basically tell you everything about it, just so you make an informed buying decision. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get them installed up. And by the way, it's a legal requirement in Australia to tow with towing mirrors if you can't see on the sides of your cargo, I would say, or your trailer. So whether you tow a trailer or horse float, a caravan, a car trailer maybe, and you can't see behind the sides, it's actually a legal requirement to grab towing mirrors. So yeah, I didn't know that, and now I do. So I bet some of you guys also didn't know that. So yeah, definitely grab some if you can't see on the sides of your caravan or trailer or whatever it may be. Anyway guys, let's get into the installation process. Right guys, so it's actually pretty simple on the Pajero. All you got to do is get that off, like that there. Alright, so over here, as you can see, there's just the one bolt up there. And then if you look a bit closer, there's 2 bolts, 1 and 2. And then you just got to unplug the wire. Let me just see. There you go. So just unplug that one there. You don't even have to take the whole panel off, right? So you just got to go back a bit more, and then you'll have enough room to take it all apart. 1, 2, and 3. And it should just come straight off. Right guys, so as you can see, one is on and one to go. So yeah, very cool. As you can see, it's all mounted. It probably took me 3 minutes, if that. I'm not even kidding guys. All it is 3 bolts. It comes with the 3 washers and the 3 lock nuts, so it's going to be nice and steady. And the thing that I love about MSA is between the mirror and the door, it actually comes with a rubber as well. So that's obviously for vibration and noises, so that is very good. And at the top here, you can also see it's not going to vibrate against your door on the metal. So yeah, very clever there, and I'm very excited. So yeah, geez, that only took 3 minutes guys. That is so good. I'm very stoked that you don't have to take off the whole door panel just to reach those bolts. So yeah guys, just make sure you plug the new plug in, make sure it clips, and then it should all work nice and cool. And then yeah, just put it back together, and there you go, all done and dusted. Awesome. So let's do the measurements. I'll see how far the standard mirror comes out and how far this one comes out. Right guys, so moment of truth. Let's see how much wider the MSA mirrors are in standard form than the factory mirrors. So from the door up until the edge of the mirror, 27 centimeters. Now guys, you wouldn't believe it, but the MSA ones are 28 centimeters in total. So that's only 1 centimeter wider than the standard mirror. How good is that? And that's perfect, exactly what I was after. Something that will look standard, but it's still a towing mirror. So that is fantastic. I'm very, very stoked about it. And as you can see from the front of the car as well, it barely looks different. So yes, very stoked. That is awesome. I thought it's gonna be probably a bit more, but yeah, very, very good. And yeah, 1 centimeter, that is great. So yeah guys, let's fit up this mirror and then I'll run you through all the different modes that they can go. Right guys, so as easy as that, both mirrors are now installed and I'm super happy with how it turned out. So I just want to show you some features about the mirror. So start off, it can flick forward. So if you bash into something, it can go forward. Or if you want to slide them in, you can slide them in as well. And then they've got 4 different extension modes. So obviously this is like the standard mode, second mode, third mode, and fourth mode. So there you go. So very easy. Obviously being the first time it's used, everything is a bit stiff, but it's actually pretty easy. If you could take 2 fingers, I'll just go down the bottom. There you go. So very, very good. Just make sure you keep that lubricated every now and then. I would say I've seen some mirrors that are stupidly hard to pull out, so it's going to be interesting to see how it goes, but yeah, just keep that lubricated, and then once you do some beach drives, that sort of stuff, make sure just to spray that off as well, just so you don't have any troubles. I'll also put the dimensions on the screen right now, so as you can see, that's all the dimensions, how far it comes out for all different modes. So yeah guys, that's about it. I'm very, very stoked about it. They are also ADR approved, so MSA has gone the long way into getting these approved for Australian standards, which is a very big thing. So yeah guys, very excited. Obviously if you have any questions about the dimensions, anything about that, just make sure to drop it down in the comments and I'll get back to you. But yeah, what do you reckon? I'm very interested to hear what you guys reckon about it. I mean, I'm super stoked about the fact that it doesn't look bulky or obnoxious when you first look at the vehicle. Now, there's also a few different mirrors that you can get. So I went with the black electric. So you're able to adjust the mirror just like usual, which is pretty good. Now, these aren't fold in with electric. You have to come out and push them back in. Clearview mirrors, I know, do them. But they are very expensive, and I've also had a chat with the guys at MSA. They will bring out a fold-in mirror that's electric, but you're gonna pay for that, guys, so just prepare for that. But yeah, otherwise you do get a chrome version, and you also get a heated version, so it heats up the mirror if you're in colder climate, just so it doesn't go fog. So yeah, there's a few options available, and the good thing about MSA as well, they do heaps of different products. So over time, you'll see some more products from them on the website as well, budget4x4life.com, and I'll be running some deals as well for the first week after launching these guys. So make sure to jump on the website right now if you're in the market, because now's the time to grab them. Righto guys, well there you have it. That is the installation video of these MSA mirrors. What do you guys reckon it looks like? I mean, I'm very excited to test this out over the next few months. Make sure to keep an eye on our Instagram and Facebook page as well, where I will update you guys on how it goes. But yeah guys, I'm super stoked and I reckon it looks amazing on this Pajero. And also big thanks to MSA and Clearview for jumping on board. I'm so excited to release all of your products on the website. So if you guys want to go and check it out, now is the time to do so, and I'll also run a sale for the first week only. So thank you so much for watching guys. As always, if you have any questions, make sure to drop it down below. If you'd also like to see another video of me testing this out off-road, let me know, or whether you want to see a comparison Clearview versus MSA towing mirrors. Awesome guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.